In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 Instagram reels that you can make, and these are the only 3 types of videos that you'd ever have to make. And these are the exact videos that I myself shoot to sell 40 to 60 homes a year right off of social media. And these are the videos I tell all of my agents to shoot, some of which close over 6 figures to multiple 6 figures their first year in real estate. Now, the videos I'm gonna share with you are gonna grow a massive following and sell real estate. Starting with the first type of video, which is gonna be current events. Current events videos are the easiest way to grow a massive following. They help bring and attract new people into the funnel. Now, the thing about these videos is that they don't necessarily sell real estate, but they are the most viral content that you can make. And they include things like market updates, regulation changes, anything that happens in and around your city, anecdotal stories of things happening in the market, like, oh, there was 30 people at my open house this week, 3 months ago there was 0. My client just secured X rate. My client was able to just purchase this for that. All of these types of videos have massive viral potential. They bring people into the funnel, and once they're in the funnel and consuming your content, that's when you can start putting out the conversion content, which actually sells them the real estate. And whenever I'm shooting current events videos, I like to leverage the green screen effect on TikTok or Instagram and actually provide a visual of a news article or a rendering or a place or some landmark in your city. That way, it's a lot more eye-grabbing and increases the viewer retention. Now, if you want more information like this, I have a newsletter where every single week I send out insights as it pertains to social media for realtors and things of that nature. You can join using the link below. Now, the second type of video that you can shoot is the property tour video. If you just did this and nothing else, you would sell so much real estate, it's not even funny. And this is the exact strategy that I teach most of the younger agents that come into my program, because you don't need to understand macroeconomics, investing, the economy, or any of these things. It takes thousands of hours of research to fully grasp and understand. You just go to a property once a day, you shoot the property, you upload it, and the beautiful thing about them is it kind of works as brand awareness and conversion content. On one side, people love watching property tours, and even people that aren't even in your market will like to consume these types of properties, so they have massive viral potential, which is great for brand awareness. But then on the other side of that coin, people can literally watch that video of the property tour, call you right off of that video, and buy that exact property. Now, a bulk of the transactions that I do every single year come right off of these videos. This is what I teach, this is what I do, I know they work, but there is a certain way that they have to be done. When it comes to finding properties to shoot, you just reach out to realtors that have listings and you ask for their permission. Or better yet, what I like to do is I like to just go to new construction projects where the developers don't really care and they're willing to let you in so you can shoot that property and market their product. Now, the last type of content that you can make is city/neighborhood content. And there's a lot of different ways that you can make this content. You can do vlog tours of a certain area. You can talk about upcoming changes in your city or market. You can do comparisons where you compare certain cities to other cities. You can talk about the top 3 best neighborhoods, the top 3 things to do, the top 5 best parks. You can talk about the cost of living in your city. And again, the most amazing thing about these types of videos is, again, you don't need to understand the economy, real estate, investing, and all of these things. If you grew up in this city, you have authority to speak on this city because you have 20, 30, 25 years of experience living in that city. That gives you the authority to speak on it because you're going to know it a lot better than anybody else who has never lived in that city or been to that city. Now, with all 3 of these videos, you don't necessarily have to mix and match. You can be a channel that does only property tours. You can be a channel that does only current events and market updates, and you can be a channel that does only city/neighborhood videos. Me, myself, I like to do a good mix of just about everything. All 3 of these videos are proven to sell real estate. I do it every single year myself. I teach my agents to do the exact same thing. I know this works, but the biggest thing is that you stay consistent, you post every single day, and you never miss a post. And if you made it this far, you definitely need to watch this video as well because this one's a banger. I'm that Agent Kelly, and I'm making moves to move you. Peace.